Hey guys, Dr. Jakob Blauw, chiropractor, sports chiropractor, animal chiropractor, and sports conditioning coach. So while doing my workout this morning, I decided to show you guys a video on how to release your lower back. A few people sent me questions asking how can they manage their pain during the lockdown, seeing as no one can get to any chiropractors or physios or massage therapists. So really easy routine. I do it religiously every morning when I wake up, before I go to bed, before training, after training. It's really easy. First off, start by lying on your back. You're going to bring one leg in towards your chest. In this case, my right leg. So I'm bringing right knee to right shoulder. I'm going to hold it for 40 seconds minimum. And then I'm going to cross my right knee towards my left shoulder as well, 40 seconds. This one stretches the glute and the hip. This one does more lower back. We're going to do it both sides, other side as well, 40 seconds and 40. And then I'm going to bring both knees in towards my chest. Just give it a gentle squeeze, hold it, 40 seconds minimum. You guys can go longer, even 2 to 3 minutes. Then you're going to drop your feet down, hands at the bottom of the back where these two dumbbells are. It's the sacroiliac joints. So you're going to put your hands and then you're going to slowly rock your legs from side to side. Don't go all the way. The moment you feel this joint lift up, you stop. So don't go all the way. The more you do it, you'll find the more movement you will get. But this is just for the pelvis and the SI joints, just to release that. So it's a really comfortable, easy stretch exercise to release the muscles and help you a little bit with your pain. The second thing that you guys can do, really works well, is with a tennis ball, find a spot against the wall. So you put the ball wherever you feel pain. It's generally on a trigger point. So a localized area in a muscle that's hyper irritable and painful. So just to demonstrate, my wall, my ball, let's say I have glute medius pain or hip pain, lower back pain. I'm putting the tennis ball on the area where I feel it, standing against the wall, and then just a slow movement, rotating. You can write your name, you can do any shape, I really don't care. Just get in there and with gentle movement you can roll it out. It's really easy. Some people put the tennis ball in a sock, so then it doesn't fall around as easily. But if you just apply gentle pressure and you don't go too crazy, it generally stays quite put on the muscle. Next one that you can do is with a foam roller. So there's a lot of different foam rollers out there. I will be doing a video exclusively on foam rollers as well. This one, it's a little bit harder than the normal solid foam because I've been doing this for quite a few years. I'm used to a harder surface. So if you just start using a foam roller, try and get a solid foam. They're not as hard, and the more you roll, they get a little bit softer as well. So if you want to do your lower back, I prefer doing it with a tennis ball because most people arch the lower back when they use these. So when you start, use it for mid back to upper back to release muscle tension, and use the tennis ball for your lower back. But just to show you guys, so I'm going to put the foam roller on the ground. I'm starting mid back, lifting my pelvis, keeping my spine and my back as straight as possible. I'm not arching. This is very bad because the joints go into extension and the small joints in the back of the spine, the facet joints, can get damaged. So don't go into extension. It's not a good idea. Just keep the spine nice and straight, and then it's a small movement up and down. I generally do thirds, and then I'll do each quadrant 10 to 15 times. and then I'll repeat until I feel that tension has eased away. So if I want to do my lower back, pelvis up, and now I'm on the QLs, erector spine at the bottom. It's also a bit of a workout for the core, and then I'm going up again. So these work really well, and if you guys do it every day, over time the tension will release a little bit. You might feel a bit of bruising, tenderness, because of the pressure that you apply with the tennis ball and the foam roller. But it's good for blood circulation and just to get rid of the lactic acid buildup, tension in that muscle.